Welcome to day 18. Today we're going to talk about what makes your smart home, well, smart and fast.
Ever feel like your smart devices are just clunky? A lot of times it's about the language they're speaking.
So remember on day 15 we used HTTP? Well, turns out it's not really the best for IoT. Think of HTTP like a really heavy phone call for every single tiny piece of data. Super inefficient.
You have to dial, wait, ask, get an answer, then hang up. Every single time. Way too slow.
But what if there's a better way? A language built just for these tiny IoT devices.
Say hello to MQTT. It's a super lightweight protocol that's all about speed and efficiency for our devices.
So instead of that heavy phone call, MQTT is more like a lightweight magazine subscription. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so how does this actually work? It all starts with a central hub called a broker.
The easiest way to think about it, the broker is basically an IoT post office, sorting all the data. See, devices don't talk to each other directly. They just send messages to the post office using topics.
And topics are just unique addresses, kind of like folders to keep everything organized, like home/bedroom/temp. Right, so let's put it all together. Our temperature sensor, it publishes its data to that temperature topic.
At the same time, our little OLED screen tells the broker, hey, I want to subscribe to that topic.
And here's the magic. The broker immediately sends that data to the screen. It's instant, no delays.
This whole publish and subscribe thing, that's what makes MQTT so incredibly fast and perfect for IoT.
All right, MQTT is awesome, but it needs a broker. Tomorrow on day 19, we'll connect to a cloud broker so we can control our relay from a cellular network, right from outside the house.